Next tonight, it is no secret that working in healthcare can be a difficult, stressful career path. That includes veterinarians. They're medical professionals you may not think about all the time, but that research shows have been struggling in relative silence for some time. With so many of us pet owners, tonight we're shining a spotlight on the well-being of the doctors who care for our four-legged family members. The CDC reports that since 1979, hundreds of these doctors have died by suicide. A study by pet food brand Royal Canine found an overwhelming majority of veterinarians know a coworker who has taken their own life. And of that same group surveyed, 60% say they have sought professional help for work-related stress, anxiety, or depression. 7 News reporter Kristen Moran is giving a voice to people familiar with these stressors and explains the work they're doing to create a brighter future.
No 2 days are alike for Dr. Reed Stevens.
Every day is an adventure. You never know.
He's the co-owner of 2 animal hospitals in Buffalo and the Westside Pet Clinic, and he's been a veterinarian for 25 years.
I wanted to make a difference in my community. I wanted a place where people love to go to work. I wanted to be respected for a base of knowledge and scientifically challenged for life.
But with the job comes the weight and sometimes the silence of mental health struggles.
We are overrepresented in the mental health area. Veterinary medicine the statistics are out there, they're not hard to Google.
According to Veterinary World, vets face a higher risk of mental health issues and dying by suicide. The CDC says they're 2 to 4 times more likely to die by suicide than the general population. Reed says organizations like Not One More Vet were created to be a resource for vets.
They got a lot of programs in there. There's hotlines and there's just awareness bringing of where you are in crisis.
For all the years I've been involved, I think people have become very conscious of the kind of stresses that veterinarians go through.
Tim Atkinson, executive director of the New York State Veterinary Medical Society, says student loan debt is another major stressor. His association, which represents 2,500 members, offers a program to help.
Now we actually do a 90-day money mentorship, and we're really finding it can be transformational, that people who were really feeling unhappy about their life and their career choice because they didn't see how it was going to financially work.
And while the love for animals keeps vets going, both Dr. Stevens and Atkinson share a reminder vets are people too.
It's really important to be kind to your veterinarian. They're working really hard. They need your help. They need your understanding. They've had a rough day.
Kristen Moran, 7 News, Buffalo.
If you or someone you know is struggling with mental health, help is always available. Erie County offers a 24/7 crisis services hotline, 834-3131, and you can reach Niagara County Services by calling 285-3515. There's also the National Crisis Lifeline at 988. We'll have those numbers available for you on WKBW.com.